Welcome to our channel, dear subscribers and new watchers. Why are there not more people talking about the countless microscopic invaders that could be living inside you right now? It might sound unsettling, but it's a reality for many. These unwelcome guests, parasites and yeast, often go unnoticed, silently wreaking havoc on our health. While we go about our daily lives, these tiny organisms can disrupt our gut health, drain our energy, and even impact our mental clarity. Nature provides us with powerful tools to fight back and reclaim our well-being. Think of your body as a garden. Just like a garden needs the right balance of nutrients and care to thrive, so does your internal ecosystem. By understanding how to identify the signs of these invaders and taking proactive steps to eliminate them, you can cultivate a healthier, more vibrant you. You might be thinking, if I can't see them, are they really causing harm? The answer is a resounding yes. Parasites and yeast, when left unchecked, can wreak havoc on your body in numerous ways. They steal vital nutrients from your food, leaving you feeling fatigued and depleted. These invaders can also disrupt your digestive system, leading to bloating, gas, and irregular bowel movements. Parasites and yeast can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. That's why it's crucial to address these issues head-on and take proactive steps to eliminate these unwanted guests. The first line of defense in our battle against parasites and yeast is our diet. A diet high in refined sugars, processed foods, and unhealthy fats creates an environment where these unwelcome guests thrive. Instead, embrace a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods that starve out the invaders and support your body's natural defenses. Load up on fiber-rich fruits and vegetables like leafy greens, berries, and cruciferous vegetables. Hydration is also crucial. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out toxins and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Remember, your diet is your first line of defense. Choose wisely, and you'll be well on your way to reclaiming your health. Natural arsenal supplements that pack a punch. While diet plays a crucial role, certain supplements can provide an extra boost in your fight against parasites and yeast. One such supplement is oregano oil, a potent antimicrobial that can help eliminate a wide range of parasites and yeast. Garlic, another natural powerhouse, contains allicin, a compound known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Black walnut hull, derived from the black walnut tree, has been traditionally used to expel intestinal worms. And don't underestimate the power of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help restore a healthy balance to your gut microbiome, making it harder for invaders to take hold. Adding these supplements to your daily routine can significantly enhance your body's natural defenses and accelerate the elimination process. Reclaiming your health. A two-pronged approach. Eliminating parasites and yeast requires a two-pronged approach. Starving the invaders and strengthening your body's defenses. Begin by cleaning up your diet. Reduce your intake of sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats. Simultaneously, incorporate supplements like oregano oil, garlic, black walnut hull, and probiotics to provide your body with an extra boost. These supplements work synergistically to eliminate parasites and yeast while supporting your overall health. Stick to your healthy habits, and you'll soon reap the rewards of a healthier, more vibrant you. Your journey to a balanced body begins now. Your journey towards a healthier and balanced body starts with awareness. Recognize that even if you can't see them, unwanted guests like parasites and yeast could be affecting your well-being. Embracing a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods and incorporating powerful natural supplements can make a world of difference. Celebrate your progress, stay informed, and never stop learning about how to optimize your health. The power to reclaim your health lies within you. Take charge, make informed choices, and embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.